Hello everyone, in this episode I'll be playing Geometry Dash. Okay, this is weird for you guys, see me have face cam. It's weird for me too. I kinda look like a girl sometimes, and I usually won't be looking into the camera. Because I'm gonna be focusing on the game. Like right now I'm looking at the play button, so you can't see my face, but I'm in my room at my dad's house right now. As you can see. So, yeah, let's get on with this. Moving the camera a little bit, but, also I have a touch just thing. I've been looking at stuff in this setting, and yeah, there's some cool stuff that I found, but yeah. So I should actually probably move this over here so I can touch stuff. But yeah, it's cool because I can like change the size of it. I can like move it around and stuff. So I think a good size is the size that I had before. But now I will be doing I'll be building a ship challenge. It's not be a speed build. I'm just gonna be building a ship challenge. It's gonna be pretty long, but that's how I roll, guys. Oh, also check out this sweet new ring made me. Since I love rainbows, she made that for me. Great, okay. Well, this didn't work out how I wanted it to. Wanted it to look different. Okay, I'm just gonna restart this whole side up here. Sorry, it's really shaky. It's using the camera from my tablet, so like when I'm shaking my tablet, so like the face cam moves. Sorry, I'm just really not focused right now. And then just erase everything and I'm good. So, like I said, it's not a speed build. I don't usually do speed builds. I've only done one speed build, and I never really got much anything from it, so yeah. I'm not going to be building a speed build. I'm not going to be building a speed... What am I talking about? Okay. I'm not going to be making a speed build. That's what I meant. Okay, so now... Gotta look closely at this. I think that's good. But yeah, this is the song that I'm using. I forgot what it's called. It's called Time Leaper. It's a pretty good song. I like it. Okay, where's the best spot for this to be? I'd say like right here, since I'm not gonna be doing much stuff over here. But yeah, now I'm in the middle of the screen. Now I'm in the middle of the screen. But I think this is a good spot for it to be. So now I think that's good, except for the fact that this is all glitched out and stuff. So I'm gonna delete this, and I'm gonna... I like the touch gesture thingy-majigger. I like the touch thing. Okay, here's some good music for you guys to listen to while I work. No, not like that, like this. And that's good. Almost. There, perfect. I love this song, right? There's a level that I saw. Forgot what it's called. Oh yeah, Falling Up by Crazy Man 50. It has a song. I fell in love with it right when I heard it. I watched the video by Dano Kaz, and yeah, that's how I found out. And it was was Dan Alcaz. But anyway, the person that I watched, he died at 92%. An extreme demon, as you can probably assume, because he's like one of the best GD players ever. So, oh my gosh, I love it. So, as you can probably tell, this is a rainbow themed level. I need to make all this stuff certain layer. Probably should have done that. It's hard to have face cam when you're building a level, especially when it's like you can actually interact with it. So top, because now what I'm gonna do, make rainbow spikes. Wrong spikes. Oops. I thought I made all the colors for it, but I guess I didn't. Red. And then this one is gonna be a group higher. Okay, back up here. Then, wait, no. And then it's gonna be orange. Okay, you know what? I made a mistake. No. Everything is going to be red. This is going to be everything orange. This is going to be everything yellow. Yellow. Okay. And I forgot to make this one group higher. Okay. I'm going to make this quite a lot smaller, by the way. There. Now I'm going to put it right here, so I can still see my beautiful face. And it won't make anything happen to the game and stuff. You know what I'm talking about. Okay, new song. Yeah, new song. You know, it's totally a new song. 1, 2, and then blue, blue, and then I need to do this, and then the final thing, detail, and then purple. I need purple, dark purple. And then, well, not really, it's not really dark purple, but it's purple, so, yeah. Nope. Then, alright, I need to actually make it. So, this one is gonna be -2. This, wait, no. Actually, all that I need to do is make the bottom layer. Okay, so all of these are gonna be the bottom's layers. So now that's what it looks like. Now I gotta copy and paste it all around. I tried to do this earlier, but then my tablet died. And then guess what happened, guys? It didn't save the spikes. So sad. But you know what? I don't really care. I messed up on them anyway, so I didn't put them in different layers, so they all just glitched together. Rainbows. Alright, I'm just really focused. I need to finish this level, and I'm just so hype because of this song. Okay, there, so now this is what it looks like. That is pretty cool, don't you think? Okay, I need to go in a different group for this. And then, there. Got it. Okay, wait. Okay, I'm trying to find the... Okay, so this is the correct timing. So put... I think you just keep on copying and pasting this, and yeah, everything will end up working for you. So it'll be like this. Okay, hopefully this isn't too hard. Okay, why is it laggy? Maybe it's because I'm recording. Maybe it's because there's so many objects in just one spot. Maybe it's because of the face cam. I think part of it was the face cam. I don't know how to get face cam back. I'm so sorry. Yeah. So, sorry about that. Oh, edit. Edit. I mean, I wasn't really doing any, I wasn't really showing you guys anything, so yeah. It didn't really matter if I showed face cam or not. There goes the hammock. Oh, and also there's, I think I put one here, unless it didn't save. Well then, so. Right, so. Okay, so right there, I'm going to put a wave portal. So it's not all, yeah, it's the thing, it's a challenge, it starts with this and stuff, yeah, like that. Okay, in the middle. Now I just need to make other stuff. Right. Okay, I need to do something real fast. I'm really focused on this. Don't worry, I will make all this invisible. Look at that. Because I'm a good builder. Okay, so, what was I doing? Oh yeah, alpha. Sometimes I just randomly forget what I'm doing. So, yeah. I'm gonna keep that there for now. This might be a little bit of a challenge. I mean, what do you call it? Yeah. I'm one of those. Just kidding. I am not a professional straight flyer. So, yeah, I'm just saying that. Boom, boom, boom. Done. Okay, now. Boom, boom. Okay, now. Gonna do this. Then, gonna copy and paste all of it. All of it, yes. And then. It's been a while since I've done a recording, recording, so I might be out of time. I'll make part 2, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Just gonna record this like a couple seconds later, so see you in a sec.